This is why Christianity is different than every other religion in the world, and no college will tell you this. People say all the religions are the same. No, Christianity, unlike any others, all the other religions is you trying to get closer to God. Christianity is God who came to you. What is grace? We know what justice is. You break into a store, you get what you deserve. You get a month in prison. Mercy is you go in front of the judge and he says, I'll give you a week in prison. A grace is something different. Grace is that when you die and you face your Creator, and they have a list of everything wrong you've ever done, ever. Private and public. Omniscient, omnipotent. All of it. And a judgment is about to be given. You're about to get your sentence in. And instead of mercy, instead of justice, all of a sudden someone steps up and says, hold on, I know him. I know her. I'll serve that prison sentence. You can go live free. That is grace, and only Jesus Christ can give you that.